So I'll be showing you one of the best indicators to use as a newbie trader, even a professional trader. As in, this is one of the best indicators you can use to be profitable. To be a profitable trader is simple. You just have to apply what I'll be showing you in this video. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share this video. I mean, that's basically how you grow. So let's get started. So this indicator, the name is ORB. This is my favorite indicator, by the way, and I think you should save these videos, add it to your playlist. I don't know, apply this as soon as possible to your charts, because it will change your trading game, trust me. So first things first, you have to find the trading indicator, right? So you have to go to your settings area here, then click on indicators. If you're using your phone or smartphone, your laptop, it's the same process. Just go to the indicator area, then you search for ORB. ORB. Now the ORB you'll be using is the one by this creator, ZZ Crypto 123. So just open it up. It will be added to your chart. Now once you go back here, you click on these settings here. So you should screenshot this and see my settings. You understand? Um, you can see my settings. You can see the style. Just set it as yours. You understand? Put it on 15. Put this on 15. Change the timing to 9:30. Just set yours exactly as I am setting mine. You understand? Now you can see the charts. So I'll be explaining how this indicator works and how you can be very profitable. All your trades, I mean, you understand, if you are taking 100 trades, I bet like 90% will be successful after you implement this indicator. So I'll be breaking down how this indicator works and how you can make money from this indicator. If you apply it exactly as I'm about to explain to you, then I assure you you'll be profitable. Now let's zoom into this so you can see clearly. You can see the green and red line. Right now the green line is my high. That's the highest price within 15 minutes of price action. Now this red, the red one, is my low. That's the lowest price within 15 minutes of price action. I don't understand. This green line is my high and this red line is my low. That's basically what it means or it entails. You understand? So what we are looking at for here exactly is either it breaks out from the green line or the red line. That's when we'll be interested. If it's inside this box, we are not interested in any trade at that point. Now I hope you understand me. So our interest lies whether it breaks the green or the red. Wait, let me bring an arrow so you can see me clearly. So we are interested whether it breaks here, this green line. If it breaks up of this green line, then we're interested in the trade. If it breaks below the red line, that's our low, then we are interested. But if it's within this box here, within the green and the red line, we are not yet interested. That's basically how this works. So now you can see it broke from here and there's a potential pump to the high side. It was bullish. Now when it was there, it ranges, but now you can see when it broke from here, there's a massive decline and the trade was a success. Now the same thing, when it was here, we are not interested, but if it breaks here, then we'll be entering the trade. We'll be interested in making a trade, you understand, or taking a trade, taking a position, whatever English that works, you understand. So basically, like I was saying, if it's in this stuff, if it's within this, we are not interested because it will be ranging, as that's basically called ranging, you understand, accumulation, or that's the point we wait to see what it does next. So if you are here and you waited and waited, it bounces off and comes back here, you'll be interested in entering a trade to the upside. That's basically how this indicator works. So I'll show you from this angle as well. The same thing applies. whatever you use, whichever chart you use this. If it's in this box, we are not interested. But once it breaks out, we'll be looking to make a call, and you can see how good the call was. Yeah, you imagine how much you would have made from this particular trade. Let me show you with another pair. You understand? So let's change the pair. Let's GLM. So the same thing applies here. If it's within the box, we are not interested. But once it breaks, if it's within this box, we are not interested, because this place is called the accumulation stage. That's where it accumulates. Then once it breaks, we know, once it breaks either the high or the low, then you know what to do. You understand? So now you can see it accumulated, then it broke here, the trade went down, we got a few percentage. You understand? Then it entered back into this box, then it broke here. You can see how good it was. Now you understand, in trading sometimes you make small profit, then it reverses. That's why we usually use break even once we are profitable in any trade. So like this type of trade, now if I entered a short position here and it reached this point, I'm already profitable. I could put my break even here. If it reverses back, it will automatically close the trade. Now you can see here, I've already, if I enter the trade here, once it reaches like this, I'll put my break even. In case it reverses back, you understand, market, many factors can affect the market. That's basically it. So yeah, there's basically the fundamental part of trading, you understand, which the news controls as well. So now, but this indicator shows you a very clear path. You understand? It's left for the market to do its thing when this indicator shows you what next to do. Now you can see it broke here, it was ranging. Then once it broke off here, now you can see the potential profit you would have made. You understand? Now you can see it retraced back to this point as well. Now this is a resistance zone, it came back. Basically, if it's not in this box, we are not interested in this trade. Now let's use another pair, so I'll show you how profitable this indicator is. Let is GRT. You can see the same thing applies here. If it's here, we are not interested until there's a break. Now you can see it broke here, then it retraced to this point before it went down. Now it's retraced multiple times. That's to show you that this zone is a very good resistance zone, and to show you that how good this indicator is, because it identifies the zones, the areas and points of interest for you without any much technical or fundamental whatever knowledge. You understand? That's basically why I say this is one of my best pairs to trade. So if this is something you're interested in, let me use your, let me check another, show you another pair so you can see what I'm trying to say. It's across all the pairs. If it's in this box like this, we are not interested. But if it breaks, once it breaks, we are interested in the trade. If it's here, we are not interested. But once it breaks, then we are interested. And you can see how good it is. Yeah, even if it goes up, once it comes down to this area, now this is turned support. That is basically to show you that this was a resistance turned to support, this is a support turned to resistance. Then if it comes up, it resets it and goes back. Like basically it show you that this indicator is very accurate. Remember, you have to put the settings I set as well. If you miss that, you can go back and select the settings the same way I did mine and use it for yours as well, so that this will be very accurate for you. So if you find this video helpful, and if you are going to give it a try, please drop in the comment section. I mean, share this video as well to your colleagues, your partners, your friends, you understand, to be profitable as well. I mean, in this channel I show you profitable ways to trade crypto and forex, you understand. So if you found this video helpful, like I said, please subscribe. This is how we grow this channel. And yeah, let's go.